Good morning. I am Kent Russell A. Kadungog from 1B CRI AR1B01. I am here to talk about Charlie Kirk's murder. Charlie Kirk was one of the highest profile conservative activist media personnel in the US and trusted ally of Donald Trump. He was shot dead on September 10, Wednesday, at the age of 31 while hosting a college event for the Turning Point USA, the organization he co-founded. Based on NBC News and CNN US, suspect official identified 22 years old Tyler Robinson of Utah as suspected of killing con- conservative activist Charlie Kirk. He was being held without bail in Utah jail and faced multiple charges. Investigation authority recovered action bolt rifle near the scene with a bullet casing engraved with anti-fascist message suggesting a possible political motive. Robinson family said he is grown more political recently, expressed of disliking Charlie Kirk. Widow vow in her first remarks, Erica vowed to continue her late husband movement and campus tour, saying it will be greater than ever. This this news got my interest because of Charlie Kirk was not a very great man, but many people hate him personally and because of what he's saying about LGBTQ, being a feminist, etc. But I still look up on him, even though he is still using his power, money, and wealth to help other people, whether they dislike him or not. He stands for what he believes, and he is willing to debate you for it. This news is an eye opener for people because even though you did good things, they will still always remember for the bad things you did. For me, as a future police officer, I can apply this to myself. Even though you help people, they will always look for the bad side and willing to kill you for it. That's all. Thank you.